and you will love it. It's Bowser and Bowser Jr. Welcome to Harold's Curious Mind! Let's start! We're going to draw an upside down U first. We're drawing Bowser's face. Next, two upside down U's that are like curves or in a diagonal version, or they're like C's. Next, another upside down U but smaller version. And we'll now draw his mouth starting on a dot, going a U and another U from the other. Next, we're going to draw this. These are like C's. There. Now the same as the other one. Now we're going to go to another one. It's the lines. And then these ones. I don't know what of these called. Now we're going to draw the mouth. Now a big upside down U with more width. And now two lines. Now for the teeth. These are teeth. These are curly triangles for the teeth. Now the tongue. Upside down U. And then another upside down U. We're done with the mouth. We're going to draw his eyes. Let's draw these wrinkles first. And now for the lines. A diagonal line. Now for a circle. And another circle. And another circle that is smaller than the other one. We're putting it on the middle of this normal circle. We're doing his eyes. We are drawing the eyebrows now. And now his head and forehead. There. Now for his hair. And then his ears or horns. These are actually his horns. And these two C's, including the other one too. These are small, but we'll put another one so it'll feel more better. And another one. These are 5 each. Now we're still doing his and the nails and the toes. This is the nails. And for another nail. There. And then another one. And one more. He has 3 toes. Now we're going to draw this curves. It's for the knees. And a curve and another. There. So this one is the same as this. Now for a U. And then we're going to do the shell. We're going to do these oval. And then a big C to make these ovals for the spikes of the shell. 4 of them. And then after this, the tail's next. Now for another spike. There. Now for other ones. And for this. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 spikes. His tail is next now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're finished with Bowser. Now I'm going to do Bowser Jr. But without his Koopa Clown car, I'll make his full body. Now we're going to make these smile. He has only one tooth, but his others are covered. His tongue is next. And these is his nostrils. And then an upside down U, or a sideways C. Now for his eyes. This is his eyes. And now his eyebrows. That's his eyebrows. And his ears or horns. It is more smaller than Bowser's. This is his hair now. We're drawing his hair now. There. Now we're going to draw his bib with we're going to draw his bib and the smiley face on the bib with pointy teeth. Just like this. It could be open or closed like this. There. This is his bib. The next one is the body and the part of the shell. Now for these curves. Okay, now we're going to draw his. These ones are hands, but it's arms, and the decorations too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for his hands. Oh, it's connected to Bowser too. Don't worry. We'll now draw his feet. Just like this. And then his shell. That's the last part. Just like this. This is his toes now. 1, 2, 3. Now the last one is the shell before the coloring. These are 4 curls and now it's done. Now I'm going to color them, guys. Bowser Jr. Do you think this